Hey guys, today we're rebuilding the seat. Stay tuned.
Oh, driving.
Welcome to my Lifeyt, guys. Today we are going to rebuild this seat we got in here. It needs a new back on it, a new bottom on it, and then we're going to cover it and cut it out of this piece of old plywood we got. And I'm actually going to, I've been measuring this out, and we can actually make it a little bit bigger too. And we can go an extra 4 inches wider. So we're going to go up to 28 inches and then get it recovered and make it look pretty.
Explain to us what you're doing.
We're going to cut wood.
We got this curved piece of wood and we need 2 squares cut out of it, or rectangles cut out of it. So we got to figure out we're about 28 inches wide. And 28 inches.
28 there. Then all I'm going to do is put this square on the side. Right there's one side. That side.
And how wide does that make us?
9.5 inches.
Alright, and our older one on the cart is actually about the same, 9.5. I think it might be 10. So it's pretty close to the original, and we're going to be able to get both of our back and our bottom out of this one piece of scrap wood. So we got a cordless skill saw that we're going to cut it with.
Try it together.
Yeah, it works pretty good. As long as you don't push too much pressure.
That's why we're in the metal shop, not wood shop. Yeah. It's got 2 notches and I was cutting on the wrong notch. Whoops. Don't let them lie to you though, we're not any better at metal shop. We just like doing it. There's one. Make a pin on that. Oh yeah, spoiler for it. Woo woo! Oh. Now we just took the work table away. Yeah. Work table. Don't worry, I got the kitchen table cleaned off back there. And there's our other one. That one should be our back. The one's the bottom. While we're back here, we're gonna mark out this foam that we got so we can cut it out for the seat covers. That's that one. I'm just gonna cut it with some regular scissors. It doesn't cut the best, but I haven't figured out anything to cut it any better, so you just gotta kind of go slow. It basically feels like my scissors are gonna break. So, if you got any suggestions, comment below. Yeah, let us know what you use, because these suck. Maybe I just need a heavier duty pair. I don't know. There's one. This is just old foam. It's off of a old mattress. Oh, look at that! I let him use my scissors. He broke them on the first cut through. Jeez. Now I ain't had nothing to cut all the rest. Oh man. Oh. You get to try to cut it with this. Since he broke my scissors, he gets to try to use a utility knife. Here's our next best choice. The little kid's pink scissors. Woo!
Sorry, Ma, we're cutting the kitchen table.
Yeah, that's not my hack. You're getting covered over, so it's ain't gotta be perfect. It would have been a lot easier if you went and broke our scissors. Alright. So what we got is some black fake leather stuff that we bought on Amazon a while back. Covering my son's go-kart seat, and well, we still got a bunch of it left, so now we're gonna cover this go-kart seat. I'm not sure which way is gonna be best.
Probably 228.
I think if we do it this way, is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, we'll get both.
And so we're gonna have to go a little bit further. Make sure we can wrap over the side. No, probably. What's that? And then wrap. Yeah, that should be good enough for both of them. Over here. Yeah, so if we cut it that way, that'll give us both of them, enough for both of them. You can try it with that, or where'd those pink scissors go? Oh, I put them in my pocket. Pink scissors. Okay. These are the kid scissors that aren't supposed to cut your kid's finger. Well,
Or their clothes.
they're pretty sharp.
Or their clothes. They cut their clothes up.
Maybe these aren't the safety scissors you need. Pretty sharp. So, I think we'll just fold this in half and cut it right down the middle. And then whatever's left, we'll just wrap it onto the back. And we're not upholsterers either, but Jacks of all trades.
Masters of none.
Masters of none, there we go.
That is good.
Wait, don't use my scissors. He can't use, he's cut off. I don't need broken scissors. We only got a few pair. We won't have nothing left. That's why we can't have nice things, because we let Richard use them. Well, it's not shooting our plywood very good. So, we're gonna zoom you in here. You push in your corner like this. Just fold this corner in here. We'll staple this over first. And then when we fold that up, it'll be a pretty decent looking corner. Yeah, our staples aren't going in too well with this.
Don't recommend it.
Boss Stitch is a good name, but this was actually out in the shed too, so might be cold. Maybe the spring's not working right. So we're just hammering them in the rest of the way with the hammer. Should be fine. You didn't fold yours on the same angle as mine.
Well, we have.
Yeah, I know. Different amounts of material. We should have measured it out. Measure twice, cut once. Measure. Out of staples. We didn't measure it all, if you didn't notice that. Alright, So, there's our seat. Woo-hoo! I think that's maybe the back. I don't know. We'll see. We gotta... I won't say that yet. Here's our other one. I'll wait till we get that up there.
Ooh, look at that. Fancy. We gotta cut these bolts off of the seat bottom right here. See, it's like a bolt with a nut on it. And then we're just gonna run a lag screw, a short lag screw, so it doesn't stick up to our wood. Right here. And then, so we got to grind these off so we can mount our seats. And we won't want to take the back off yet because there's nothing really holding the seat frame or seat sliders together until we get the bottom screwed onto it. Our seat slider bolts were messed up, so we are going to use these carriage bolts, but they don't quite fit. This was not a regular size carriage nut. Square hole in here. So we're going to take these and we're going to weld them in to bolt the seat into there, and then we'll cut off the excess once we get it bolted into the go-kart. And we're doing this before we put all the nice stuff on so that we can get to them and so we don't burn holes in it. Sweet seat. Alright, so now we gotta cut the back of this off and put the back on. Alright, so we gotta cut these screws off again. We can put some flag bolts in there. We don't want to get the seat dirty. Alright guys, so that's all we got time for today. We are now officially an upholstery factory too. We got the seat reupholstered and put in. Well, that's all we accomplished in this video, but it's getting to look a lot better. We're going to continue working on it, but that's all the time for today. Check out the description below for this material that we picked up, and the axle from the previous videos, and the chain from the previous videos, and we will see you in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, give us a thumbs up.